In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. This process is not only straightforward, but also incredibly useful for organizing and visualizing your projects effectively. First, let's start by navigating to the dashboard option. You'll find this conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on New Dashboard. This is where the magic begins as we set the foundation for your custom workspace. Here you'll be presented with two options. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or start entirely from scratch if you prefer a more personalized touch. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll select the Simple Dashboard template. This choice provides a clear and concise layout, perfect for both beginners and advanced users seeking a streamlined interface. Next, you'll need to select a location to source your data from. This step is crucial as it determines the information your dashboard will display. After making your selection, press Create Dashboard. In just a few moments, you'll see your newly created dashboard come to life, ready to assist you in managing your projects with greater efficiency and clarity. Now, let's move on to adjusting your settings. This step allows you to tailor your dashboard to perfectly suit your working style. You can modify various aspects to enhance your user experience. Additionally, take advantage of the option to adjust the size of your task windows. This feature is particularly helpful if you need to focus on specific information, making it more prominent or accessible right at your fingertips. And there you have it. That's how you create a dashboard in ClickUp. A simple yet effective tool to keep your work organized and easily accessible. With a well-structured dashboard, tracking your project's progress becomes much more manageable, boosting both productivity and clarity. If you found this tutorial helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content and tips to enhance your ClickUp experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.